What up, good people? Huge shout out to Rick Hendrick Cadillac for allowing me to review the 2024 Cadillac CT4 Blackwing. In nitro passion with the 2024 Cadillac CT4 Blackwing, a fusion of elegant and raw performance, cloaked in a striking radiant red tank coat. This precision crafted machine stretches 187 inches in length, standing 56 inches tall, and hugging the road with a ground clearance of just 4.6 inches. Buckle up, cause this masterpiece is engineered for thrill. Under the hood, the CT4 Blackwing lies a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 472 horses for the torque 445 at 3,000 RPMs. This powerhouse launches you from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds and rocket a top speed of 189 miles per hour with an MPG rating of 23 on the highway, 15 in the city. This is luxury performance redefined. This year marks 20th anniversary of Cadillac legendary V-Series, a celebration not with gold or silver, but with pure octane precision. For 2 decades, the V-Series have been defined the fusion of exhilarating performance, redefined luxury, and a relentless hunger for adrenaline by an elite class of car enthusiasts who crave the thrill of perfection. This have an MSRP of $73,000. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats with white stitching, but notice you have the V embroidered in the headrest. Right here we're looking at a digital gauge. On the left you have your tire pressure with your engine temp. On the right you have your gas gauge with your trip. In the middle you have your MPH. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your trip, performance, driving assist, audio, and all the other good stuff. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your voice command alongside your heated steering wheel. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your V mode. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your interior dim with your electronic parking. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings with your AKG sound system. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start-stop button, aka your push button start. Right here we're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest My Cadillac. You have your traditional radio volume controls. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control alongside your heated seat, alongside your lane keep assist with your electronic parking. In the cubby area, you have your wireless charging pad. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 6-speed manual transmission. Also, you can get it in a 10-speed automatic transmission. The buttons right here are your rev mat with your traction control alongside your drive mode. You have carbon fiber surrounding the cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting alongside your SOS Safety Connect on start with your 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more black leather seats with white stitching. You have your air vent with your tight seat outlet. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 10.7 cubic feet. For a little more cargo space, it have a 60-40 split. Huge shout out to Rick Hendrick Cadillac for allowing me to review the 2024 Cadillac CT4 Blackwing. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.